Hi everybody, here's the latest installment of Autodoc's video tutorials on replacing car parts. Don't miss our new informative videos. Remember to click subscribe button and turn notifications on. We post new videos every week. Follow the links in the description below to our online shop where you can buy the spare parts shown. For more information, check the description below the video. Thanks for watching. Comment if this video was helpful. Follow our social media pages. We're on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the links are in the description.